I should play this shit game. So officially, I've been playing this since 2025, but I deleted because my mom put a password in the phone. It blocked my Roblox, so I can't play it anymore. So I download back Roblox and I use this game. So that's funny. Yeah. So it's just easy. Ah, can you help me, please? I'm gonna try. This bishop. First thing I know, check. Oh my booty. Oh my booty. What the heck? Yeah. Anna, Luli, Bob. No. Not the end of it. Because it's right there. I'm not the. I download this. November 2023. I don't know. Yeah, 2024. Download Roblox. And 2025. I'm finally finished it. Yeah, my account was 2067. I'm all ready at .com. And we're at the Blueberry. Yeah, I'm officially upload this video. I don't care if you don't like it. I'm gonna kill you. I don't. I'm not a killer. I'm a thief. I couldn't kill everyone. I'm gonna go to jail and be a criminal. It's not what it looks like when I play the. Yes, guys, I live at the Philippines. That's why, because I live in the Mindanao. Yeah, I live in the Philippines. Yeah, what I said just earlier, this means bad. Yeah, it's a bad word. I don't care. Kaya mas ingon pero jud na akong ginaingon guys. Hindi sira ko sometimes pero Tagalog ko sometimes. Tapos kailangan sa utok ako sige kong ingon og kuan Tagalog. Ay puso. Nalang yun ani. Uy, ako na ako. Wala dara. Dere. Isalita guys. So I'm just gonna know what it meant. Oh, I almost fell. But I don't care if I fell. I don't care. So I'm skipping all of this type video because there's a lot of checkpoints here. You? I'm right. No, no. I don't want to. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna start. I touched the checkpoint. Okay. Lapu-labot. Lollipop. I'm a lollipop. Ay, ko. Halulililalala. Oh. So, in my next video, I'm gonna go Hawaii. We're at Watermelon. Kabuki, let's go jump. Comment. Comment if you want me to step here. But we don't bye. Don't ignore it all. Heha. Ah! Jumping. I don't know this. I need to avoid this. Oh my MGK! Jumpy! Oh no! Oh no! This is gonna be a disaster. Ama! Loli! Stop! Loli! Please! Yay! What the fuck? What just happened? Now I'm back! I hate this camera jump. On the cliff in real life. Hehe. Lagi kita ngambil kaya. There's another way to jump, right? 90 degree. 90 degree. 90 degree. So now, what can I do? Really good. Let's speak language. So basically mga tao, wala ko kabalo. So, I is ang gid-ani. Puro sa kita kahulog. Pragla. Kulabot. Ay sige, magkwanta girl. Nagkwanta, mag-race pa, girl. Kudya ba una dito, girl, kay winner. Bitch. Kana siya, good. Gusto man jud ko mag-add ba, pero murag, adun ke. Ikaw na pili. Oh no! Oh no! She's calving here. Pagiging ako. So, magbisaya ta karon guys. Pag di mo kabalo, translate lang sa Google. Ulabot. Kung jud mo lang ako jud mauna diri ba? Ako jud ako hulog diri sa Saudi Arabia. By bitch. Ako mauna jud diri bitch. So, malapit na tayo. Ano to? Avocado. I I wear as an avocado when I was just at this parade. Yeah. Si parade, last day, nasa ka ng food day. Footy day. Yeah, pero dili ko ganahan og avocado guys. Pero ganahan man din ang avocado. Ganahan ako ang avocado guys kay cute ka siya kanawin. Pwede man to siguro malupad na rin kung natay command. O dati, pwede ko magka-chat. Pero karon di na kay di balik. Ay, tuwan ko na kung IP stick. Ko ba? So, i-resing ni. Bahala ka. Idintok ko. Basta sa sagad yan. Dapat niya ka maabsan. Absan pa niya. Niya siya. Kung pwede lang. Na may weapon din. Ay. Right. See? Ana. Luli. Oh, where it is now. It's one silang. May nalang yun ani Lord. Oh, praise the Lord. Sige, lupad ka na today. Hindi kaya mo maka-understand din mo Ang Tagalog mo, di pag-translate sa kuan Google. I don't speak Tagalog. But I know Tagalog. I pitch. Bitch. One. Ini. Bitch. Oh, ako na una, bitch. Mga bitch. Mga tao dira or mga anak. May nahulog. Dapat kasi. Dami Lord. Dali pa ba nagkita aning bataan ni? O babae. Abala na. Una. Una. Ya. Ulahi. Bitch. Now, mabalik ko ng buruan. Niya mabalik diri. Ay na. Unsa na. Hey guys, now I'm the oldest. No, I Lulipap. Ana, Luli, ala, nagkasugat ni. Nalang yun, Lord. Ano mag-bitch na ninyo sa Amira? Sige siya, kuan ba? O, lupad ba? Lupad! That's my kaba. I shall leave. Yeah. I think I'm this. Dahil so. Bakit unang patay, 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 patay na kita dili. Oreo. Yes, ako na nauna. Ana lulipap. I'll fix that guy. Yeah, guys. This is it, guys. This is it, Bansit. Bye.